Okay, first thing you're going to do is take off all the parentheses. Since the first group has nothing in front of it, you can just take it off without changing the signs. The second group has a positive in front of it, so same thing, you can keep the signs as they are. Then the last group, there's a negative in front of the parentheses, so we have to change the sign of everything. Minus 9, minus 5p to the fourth, minus 8p cubed. Now that you've got the parentheses gone, look for your like terms. Look for the highest exponent first. So we'll find the exponents with a 4. Right there is an exponent of 4. And right here is an exponent of 4. If we combine those, negative 1 plus negative 5 is negative 6p to the fourth. Then, counting backwards, down from 4, we would go to 3. We have exponent of 3 here and exponent of 3 here. Negative 5 plus negative 8 is negative 13 p cubed. Then we'll go down to squared. There's a square right there. It's the only one, so we bring it down into our answer. Then we look for just p, which we have one here and one here. 7p plus p is going to be 8p. Then we look for just the numbers. Negative 1 plus negative 9 is negative 10. And then that is your answer. Okay, first thing we're going to do is get rid of the parentheses. In the first group, there's nothing in front of it, so we can keep the signs. We don't have to change them. So we get negative 9x cubed. Instead of putting plus minus, I'm just going to put minus. We'll change this double negative to a positive. Now the next group, we do have to change the signs because there's a negative in front of it. So it becomes plus 8x plus 1 minus x to the fourth. Then this last group will stay positive, so minus 8x minus 4x squared. Now let's look for the largest exponent. Right here we have negative x to the fourth, and it's the only x to the fourth. Then we look for our x cubes. We have one here. It's the only one. Then we look for x squared. We have one here and here. So negative 6 plus negative 4 would be negative 10. Then we look for our x's, which we have here and here. But 8x, negative 8x, they're opposites, so they cancel. Then we look for the numbers, or the absolutes, and 2 plus 1 would be 3. And that is your final answer.